Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Tech Help, guys. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how to have a free business email using three platforms. So I'm going to introduce to you three platforms in this video. Most of them are for free, one of which is not. And for this one, the first one we have is MailChimp. This one is for free. They have, however, different subscriptions, but definitely if you want to have free business email, this is one of them. So you can sign up, and as you can see here, these are the different subscriptions that they have. They have premium, standard, essentials, and free. So for the free, $0 monthly, of course, there's a limit of 500 contacts, and you can use email support for the first 30 days. And the reporting and analytics is provided, but quite limited. And then you can send 1,000 emails per month or 500 per day. You can do this, take note, you can do this all in one go. So definitely if you're just a startup business and you just want to get a feel of what it's like to have a business email, you can use this one and you can use it for free. So account creation is the same with other email creation. So like here, transactional email is absolutely for free. You can try that for free. So you can just select try for free. And then here, you can add in now your business email, your username, and your password. If you want to use your username as your business email, that's also fine with them. And then just click on sign up and then you're done. So it's the same with creating a Google account or creating a Facebook account and other accounts. The next one is Namecheap. So Namecheap actually has a business email feature right here. If you go to their main website, they have a business email right here. With this one, you can create a business email. You can try the free trial. This is the free one that I'm talking about because it's for 2 months. So you can have a free business email here. You can click on get starter, and then you can either purchase a domain or use a domain that you have or use another registrar. So definitely for this one, you're gonna need a domain. Compared to MailChimp, you don't actually need a domain here. You can have that later on. But with Namecheap, definitely need to have a domain prepared. And then for the last one, we have Google Workspace. If you're using Google Business email, this is much better than that because this is already integrated with AI power. So it has a lot of things, features, all combined: Gmail, Calendar, Drive, Meet, and more. So definitely you can use your free trial as well right here. You can have a free trial. So here, let's say that helps. You can add here your region, then your contact info. So yeah, this one you're gonna need to have a domain as well, similar to that of Namecheap. But if you already have one, then yeah, you can have this and then type in your domain name, and then automatically your account will now be created. And that's it. Hopefully, we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button and follow us for more videos only here on Tech Help Guy.